Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and cover how to create the edit profile pic page so we can get rid of this ugly, so that the user can get rid of this ugly default profile pic. Alright, go right here. I created a folder called members, which is going to house a directory of each member by their ID, and which is going to where the uploaded file is going to be stored. So let's go ahead and go into our code editor. Right here in the profile page, I went down here where the profile pic will be displayed, and I created this if statement which is going to check for the profile page within the members directory, and that members directory, that's where the ID comes in. It's going to look for this image, and if it's there, it's going to display it. If not, it's going to display the default pic. So right here, I created a link that will go to editprofilepic.php with the user ID, the ID of the page or the user. So let's go ahead and check this file out. I've already went through and created it to save time to make this a very short tutorial. Okay, you see it's a very standard form. Right here it's going to be post, multi-part, the name of the file, and then the action is self-serving page. Just make sure when you're using a page that has get variables in there that you want to append the query string so you know which page it's going to go to. So it's going to go to the top. You see that we're doing a quick check to see if the person's logged in. If not, we're going to send them to the index page. We check to see if the user ID is given. If one's not given, we're sending it to index page. We verify that the ID given belongs to the user that's logged in, and we do that with a simple database query. So if the number rows doesn't equal 1, kick them out. Alright, right here we check to make sure that there's a directory for the user. So if there isn't one, we create one right there because that's important. Down here is where we go ahead and submit the form. And what this does is takes the file we upload, we get the file name, the temporary location of the file, because when PHP, when you upload a file, all files go to a temporary folder first, and then you have to move them to where you want them to be. We check to see if there's any errors with any errors are found, and this will be either true or false. So, and then we got get the file type. We run a regular expression to check to see if it's JPEG, PNG, GIF. So if it's not one of those, we have an error. If there's an error which equals 1, which from right here, if this returns true, if this returns true, then there was an error, so we're going to display the try again error. So that's it's not that complex in error checking for this tutorial, but it's you might want to add some more. You can use this. You can actually go here and do something like to check to limit the file size and do file size equals files and do size, and then you can check the exact size of the file. So if you don't want anything over 2 to 3 megabytes uploaded, and if it would check it. If it is, then that would display an error, but I chose not to do it just for this tutorial. So if there's no errors, we're going to go ahead, since this also will allow you to update your profile pic, we'll check to see if there already is a profile image. If there is, we'll go ahead and delete it right here. This is what unlink does. And then we'll go down here and do move uploaded file. So what we do is we're grabbing it from the temp directory, which we set right here in this variable, and we're going to move the file to members ID, and then it's going to be no matter what the name of the original file, it's going to be named profile.jpg. Alright, and then if that's done, display an OK message and a link to click back. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. I'm back into Chrome. Go to Edit Pick, choose File, click on that, upload. There we go. And that's how you do it. And if I want to change it again, we can do Edit Pick, choose File, upload. There we go. So that was just a quick way to show covering how to enable your users to edit their profile pic. Thanks for watching.